Deputy Governor of Edo State, Right Honorable Idahosa, don tok say the current government dey 100% committed to continue to follow the principles of justice, equity and fairness for how dem go share democratic benefits for all segments of the society without any form of discrimination. The Deputy Governor yarn this one when he hosts the members of the Coalition of Ethnic Nationalities, wey pipo sabi as Association of All Non-Indigenous Groups for Edo State. E con tok say the current government go make sure say dem go solve the issue of neglect wey some community face when dem dey do project for the last administration, and say the way some people, groups and community be suffer under the past government sake of say dem be APC members when PDP government dey power go change. E come assure dem say every part of the society go feel say dem belong. Right Honorable Idahosa come also talk say the formation of the Coalition of Ethnic Nationalities wey carry plenty ethnic groups together dey in line with the renewed hope agenda of the current government, and come praise the efforts of the non-indigenous and thank them well for the support wey dem show during the election wey bring the current government into power.
The combination of different tribes that have come together to form this coalition, I believe you have mentioned the administration of my leader, Comrade Adams Ali Oshomole. He has laid the foundation, and we are going to build on that foundation. Coalition. So I want to assure you that the presentation that you have put before us would channel to the appropriate authority, and in no distant time, we are not Jesus Christ. We might not be able to fulfill all your promises, all your requests, but we will definitely do some of them. It's not like the previous government that will promise 100 and will not be able to fulfill one. If we promise 3, we will ensure that we will do the 3. So having said that, you know today is a very busy day for us. Let me once again welcome you to the House of the People, which is Edo State Government House. As you can see, there is no barrier. You voted us into office to protect your interests, and you have unlimited access to men and women in authority, because we enjoy your mandate today, and it is our responsibility to also reciprocate. You have said something significant. The different tribes that have come together contribute towards the social and economic development of our dear state. And you have come to add value to our state. And we are going to ensure that the dividends of democracy is also shared across to you.
The state coordinator of the Coalition of Ethnic Nationalities, Engineer Monday Omashola, con tok say their visits na to congratulate the deputy governor after dem win for the last governorship election. Engineer Omashola con also talk say the Coalition of Ethnic Nationalities na organization wey dey registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission for 2012, and dem get 17,235 members across the 3 senatorial districts for Edo State, and say all of them dey contribute well to the growth and development of the state. They come also present artwork to the deputy governor as a way of saying thank you.
We are privileged to be in your midst for his courtesy visit. Your Excellency, Right Honorable Idahosa, the Deputy Governor of Edo State, distinguished government officials present here, and all esteemed leaders of our various tribal community heads that are also here today. I want to say we are honored for granting the privilege to be in your very present this day. Again, Your Excellency, on behalf of the entire leadership and members of the state chapter of the Coalition of Ethnic Nationalities Nigeria, also known as the Association of All Non-Indigenous Groups, I bring you all greetings and to say congratulations for the victory feat achieved in the last governorship election held in September 21st, 2024, that ushered in the dawn of a new Edo. It is an honor to be here today for the courtesy visit. I will thank God for taking time to be with us. This we cannot reciprocate in a short time. Your Excellency, we come before you across the 3 senatorial zones as a unified group, representing the diverse ethnicities, culture, and region with the singular goal that we are all one Nigeria, which is one of the core bases that makes up our dear, vibrant, and diverse state called Edo State. The association, which was formed in 2012, and is registered with the CAC and the Ministry of Youth and Sport. It now has 15 tribal communities under its watch, namely the Yoruba, the Igbo, the Hausa, Orobo, the Shekiri, Icho, Isoko, Ondokwa, Kwale, Ibira, Igala, Akwa Ibom, Ogoja, Plateau, and Ado respectively, while we are expecting more to join. These communities have large numbers across the 3 senatorial zones. So all of these major tribes have come to regard Edo as their home because of the peace, accommodation, and attention that has been given to us by every government in power. This has made us boldly say that we are proud to contribute to the economic, social, and cultural development of the state, and we are deeply committed to the growth and prosperity of Edo State. Your Excellency, it will interest you to know that our relationship with Edo as a state goes beyond just being politically inclined, or rather residency or economic engagement, but instead our relationship is symbiotically and mutually connected because we have spent most of our lives here, breeding up our children, intermarried, own buildings and businesses here, etc. We have helped in forming an integral part of the state fabric with a shared vision for its development. In recent years, we have witnessed and appreciated the leadership of various administrations from the time of Comrade Adams Oshomole, who brought this group into limelight and changed the nomenclature from Association of Non-Indigenous to Coalition of Ethnic Nationalities, Nigeria, Edo State Charter. In 2022, when we first visited it, in ensuring that we are included in the governance and social welfare system of Edo State. Since then, the association has moved from strength to strength. Today, we can boast of 15 tribes with over 17,235 registered members across the Coalition, which has come to identify with the group with the intention to be recognized by any successive government of the day. Your Excellency, we will not bore you much. As we now come before you, we humbly seize this opportunity to request the following needs from the current administration through using your good office. One is to inclusion into the government empowerment, employment, and political appointment, if the case be that includes boards and committee. Two is to grant us soft loans to our members that own businesses, artisans or skilled personnel, most especially provision of fertilizers to our farmers that operates commercial farming in large scales across the rural areas. Fair treatment to our people who have been employed previously into the civil service, teaching, and other career jobs. Example like one of our members, Mrs. Eyo Elizabeth, who by reason she is the woman coordinator of this group, who became an object of ridicule and neglect by the past administration. She has been neglected and overlooked to be transferred from her place of work, from the current place of work where she teaches, into a new center where she has spent 25 years of service there. And she has even in 1 or 2 times kidnapped, but God on her side brought her back to us. Simply because she was an APC member in there, even when she's overdue for transfer as the most senior HM in the local government. Inclusion into the government's yearly sharing of palliative during any festivity, as usual, we normally enjoy during Oshomole's time, like Christmas and Salah respectively, as most of our members are followers as either Christians or Muslims. Your Excellency, the last time we enjoyed being recognized by the government uninterruptedly was during the administration of Comrade Adams Oshomole, when a large number of our members were given appointment, employed into civil service jobs, and even teaching jobs, empowered to become skilled, most importantly, provision of palliatives to various communities in the rural areas. Sir, the gesture to include the non-indigenous people in the distribution of this palliative was not just an act of charity, but a significant affirmation that we, the non-indigenous, are recognized and valued members of the Edo State family. This act of kindness, equity, foster unity, and reinforce the principles of inclusiveness, ensuring that no group is left behind. We ask that our voice and concern be given due consideration in the decision that will affect the residents of Edo State, regardless of our ethnic origin. The need that our participation and inclusion in the governance of the state cannot be overestimated as we continue to contribute to the state development in various sectors, including commerce, education, healthcare, and many others. Our coalition is not asking for special treatment, but for fair and equitable treatment. We seek a government that recognizes the invaluable role we play in the state progress, and a government that ensures our voices are heard in shaping policies and decisions that impact us all. We are proud to be part of Edo State story, and we believe together we can create a more prosperous and united Edo. As you continue to lead the state as Deputy Governor, we respectfully request, even while we believe so much in your capacity, based on all that you've done when you were in the House of Rep, your good news spread like wildfire, and today your antecedents speak boldly. We urge that with the same spirit of inclusivity that characterized previous administration be sustained. We hope that the government will continue to engage us on matters of governance and social welfare as we work together to build a better future for Edo State where we reside. In conclusion, we stand here today not just as a group nor party members seeking for recognition, but as committed citizens in Edo State who are eager to collaborate with the government for the goodwill of all. We remain ready to support your administration in its effort to bring about positive change and ensure that every resident, regardless of ethnic nationalities or origin, enjoy the benefit of living in this great state.
To His Excellency, the Deputy Governor of the State. This is the beauty.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Office of the Deputy Governor of Edo State, Ekata Ojisole, TMC TV News.